Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my warmest greetings for 2023. Some days ago, I was tidying up my dry cabinet when I found a film camera with its original lens left aside. It is an Exacta 1B paired with the standard lens, the Domiplan 50mm f2.8. I have a limited collection of vintage German-made DSR or rangefinders that I consider collectible art, as they are stylish, durable and reliable, and last, to take advantage of its lens over my digital SLR. It's a weight-level film camera, produced between 1964 to 77, as an entry-level camera addressed to amateur photographers, fully mechanical with simple construction but with good workmanship and proud to be made in Germany. It doesn't require special assistance for cleaning, just a lens cloth for the mirror and Fresnel. Load the film and you are ready to go. Although this camera has at least 45 years old, it looks stylish for our era, just like a vintage German Porsche that never goes out of style. And if you are considering purchasing one, remember to ask the seller about the condition of the Fresnel. It is an expensive and rare find on the market. Leaving the camera apart, my attention goes now to its lens, the Domiplan, and if this lens deserves any comment. The Domiplan 50mm f2.8 is one of the most widespread 50mm lenses from East Germany. As an entry-level lens made on a low budget, it's made of plastic but still well assembled with no wobbling elements. The only thing you should not expect too much from it is the rendition quality. It's a small, compact, light and simple lens. No coating, no automatic manual button, manufactured in M42 or Exacta mount, and the lens group is a triplet lens with strong aberration. The diameter measures 57 mm and 30 mm height with a weight of 150 grams. It has 6 plates and a minimum focusing distance of 75 mm. Wide open, the pictures tend to be soft, glowy, and atmospheric. Step down to f5.6 will be reasonably sharp. With a ring adapter, you add 100 grams more and 22 mm longer. Now let's put this baby into test.